Hey guys, it's Kira, and today I am going to be taking you guys through how to paint this scene. I'm really excited to show you, but before we get started, please follow me, check out my OnlyFans at Kira Slaps. I love to hear from you guys, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so I've just started by covering the entire canvas in white. And this is going to help the acrylic blend better because acrylic paint does not blend very well. So I'm starting with a brush and I'm just getting a little bit of yellow on there. Now I'm going to take a brighter yellow color and just go around the outside here with the yellow. A little bigger. Okay, and I'm gonna really put that little ochre in there. So you guys can see the canvas is already drying just that quickly. Fill that out. See how much better, see how much better that blends now, guys? Oh my God, that makes me happy. Now I'm taking a little bit of crimson. And you want to make sure you just use a little bit because this crimson is a super bright color. Gotta go quick because the paint dries quickly out here. I need that baby to blend. Okay, we need some blending going on in the sky. Go in with a little bit more of that bright yellow, lightly at first. So we want it to be bright. We want it to blend. I do love painting a good nature scene, guys. Look at how pretty that already looks. And we haven't even really gotten started yet. As you can see, it's starting to dry around the edges here. So I'm just going to add a little bit more white. I'm going to mix a little bit of my sap green. I'm going to mix this really well because I don't want any rogue green streaks. I would use a little bit more crimson than green for this, just for the color that we're trying to go for. And that's gonna give us a really, really pleasant little sunset or sunrise, depending on what you prefer. Okay. And then I'm gonna take on the same brush a lot of that brown, bring that even farther down. So I'm gonna put a really tiny bit of white on this clean brush and then start in the circle here just to make the sun a little bit brighter. This color is a little too white for me, so what I'm gonna do is just add the tiniest bit of yellow, blend it in with that white. Just to get the canvas in this area just a little bit more wet again. Then I'll go back in a little white. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna take some of that brown color that we made and a little bit of white. I'm just mixing up a new color right here. Added a little burnt sienna. And then I'm just gonna add some foothills right under the sun. So trail off into the distance. Ooh, like that. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna add a tree in the distance. And I'm just tapping Just tapping to make the tree. Okay, now I'm just gonna bring this brown color like all the way down to here. So okay, so I just coated the bottom with more brown to make it a little bit darker. And now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of yellow, mix, and then mix that with some white. I'm just going to blend out the bottom of the foothills with painting right now. To create a little water line. So now I'm going to make some more trees. I'm going to take some of the green, a lot of brown, a little bit of sienna, mix that together, and some black. Really load up that fan brush there. Boom. He's a big, big boy. I'm just going to tap the corner of the brush. Guys, remember, nature isn't perfect. Your painting doesn't have to be perfect either. This tree is just big boy is way in the front. So is this guy. This is a nice tree now. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That makes me happy, guys. Good big old tree. Maybe we'll put another one right here. It's a little bit farther away. There. Just like that. See how I'm highlighting this side of the tree? Because the light is going to come over here. So I want to make sure the highlight is on the right side of the painting. All right, that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some brown, black. So now what I'm gonna do is the existing bushes, just mix some yellow in. And that is the final painting, guys. I hope you guys like it. Come say hi on OnlyFans. My is Kira Slaps. And check out my other socials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.